Welcome. If you're looking for a simple way to turn off those new follower notifications on Instagram, you're in the right place. Whether you want a little more peace and quiet, or you just want to control which alerts you receive, I'll walk you through the updated steps to manage your Instagram notifications directly from your phone settings. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your main settings app. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your device, not just Instagram. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, look for Instagram in your list of apps. You can usually find it quickly by scrolling or using the search bar at the top. Tap on Instagram to open its specific settings. Now, you'll see several options related to the Instagram app. Find and tap on Notifications. This is where you can control all the different types of alerts Instagram sends to your phone. Inside the Notifications menu, look for Notification Categories. This section breaks down all the possible types of notifications you can receive from Instagram. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled New Followers. Once you've found New Followers, you'll notice a toggle switch next to it. If the switch is blue or turned on, it means you're currently receiving notifications every time someone new follows you. To turn off these notifications, simply tap the toggle so it turns gray or off. And that's it. You've successfully turned off new follower notifications for Instagram. From now on, you won't get interrupted every time someone follows your account, but you'll still receive other important notifications unless you choose to adjust those as well. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back to on. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience.